What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where the 2021 BMW M3 and M4 have been leaked online before the official launch. Now, the first official images of the 2021 BMW M3 and M4 have leaked online shortly before the duo is supposed to be unveiled. Now, these photos were shared on Instagram by Cars Without Limits, and since were shared on a BMW blog to show the M3 painted in a striking shade of green while the two-door M4 coupe is painted in yellow. Now, as we already know, both the 2021 M3 and M4 will feature the car manufacturer's controversial new kidney grills with the horizontal slats. Now, the duo also feature aggressive hoods with striking air vents. Both have sharp headlights and aggressive rear fascias with quad tailpipes and bold diffusers. Now, the taillights differ between the M3 and M4. While the looks are bound to stir controversy among BMW enthusiasts and the wider car community, you will argue with the new powertrain that drives them both. Taking from the form of a twin turbocharged 3-liter 6-cylinder, the engine is sourced from the X3M and X4M and will produce 473 horsepower and 442 pound-feet or 598 newton-meters of torque in standard form. Now, those after a little extra power will be able to purchase the new M3 and M4 in competition spec with 503 horsepower and the same 442 pound-feet of torque. Now, most variants of the new BMW M3 and M4 will come with an 8-speed automatic transmission driving all 4 wheels. However, rear-wheel drive variants will be available, as will a 6-speed manual transmission. But the BMW M3 and M4 will be officially unveiled within the next coming days, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Now, with that said, what do you think about the first look and first images of the new 2021 BMW M3 and M4? Is it as controversial as you think it's going to be, or do you think people will adapt to this new look for the new M models? With that said, let me know down in the comments below what you guys are thinking. Now, if you guys enjoyed the video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If we get a thumbs up, helps get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new spy shots, or shall I say, leaked photos of the new BMW M3 and M4. Now, with that said, make sure you guys check the links down below in case you want to further help support the channel. You can always check out my Ron's Rise one-time link donations for my PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App in case you guys want to throw a couple of dollars to the channel. You can also be a Patreon subscriber as well, or you can check out the Ron's Rise merch. We get Ron's Rise coffee mugs, hoodies, long sleeve shirts, everything Ron's Rise. Make sure you check that out as well. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. You can see all my car memes, videos, and pictures that don't always get posted here to the channel. Now, with that said, make sure you guys subscribe, click that notification bell so we can get to our first 1,000 subscribers, and the 500 subscriber mark giveaway is coming this week. Be blessed, guys. Have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.